Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So given this fraction here, try to somehow simplify this. With this one, you might have to stare at this for a while and play around until you get some inspiration. I don't know how. Well, anyway, play around with it, stare at it. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so here I have a, well, anyway, well, when it comes to this one, I don't know how I can teach you how to do this one. You just have to play around with it. Here I'm going to factor out the three at the bottom. I'm going to at the bottom I'm going to factor out the 3. So it would be this x minus 2y. Okay, and this one's actually quite hard to spot. You see, if you look at the top one here, you can actually do this. Take out the 6 as a factor, sorry, 6x as a factor, and then it becomes x minus 2y. You see, and I don't know how I can teach you this. You just got to play around with it and do a lot of guesswork. Now this here cancels out with this here. This one's actually quite hard to spot. So this one here will be x over 3 here, and then now you can divide top and bottom by 3. Okay, so this here will become 2x over 1, and 2x over 1 is just 2x. Okay, so after all that, it becomes 2x. Okay, all right, this one here. Yeah, so press pause and have a go here. Okay, so here you should notice that this neatly square root and this also neatly square root, and there's a minus in between. So you can immediately jump to this 6 minus hang on, I'm going to do it down here. You can immediately jump to 6 minus x. And then 6 plus x. Okay, this one here is just 6 minus x. You see, this is quite similar here. We can imagine this as well. Take the minus 1 out as a factor. Well, anyway, this one I've done one video to show you this already. But you see, this up here you've got 6 minus x. Down here you've got x minus 6. They're not the same, but the trick is to take the minus 1 out here, factorize it, and well, take the minus 1 out here, so it becomes minus x plus 6. Okay, and then hang on, let me just put this in. 6 plus x. Okay, and then this thing here, you can swap these two around, so it becomes this minus 1 and then bracket 6 positive 6 minus x here. Okay, and then here you've got 6 minus x and then 6 plus x. Okay, and then this will cancel out with this one here, leaving you 6 plus x over minus 1. So now well, bubble divided by 1 as normal will give you 6 plus x. Okay, and because there's 1 minus, the answer would be this, minus a bubble. So this will in effect becomes this, minus 6 plus x. Okay, so this here is your answer. So next one here. Yeah, so press pause and we'll simplify this. Press pause and have a go. So here I've got a feeling that I might need to take out the 7 as a factor at the bottom. So this one here will be 7 y minus z here, and then at the top I've got yz. Well, you see, I can actually take this out as a factor, so it becomes 3x and then y minus blah blah blah, and then this one here will cancel out with this, so this becomes 3x over 7. So this here is your answer. Okay, this one here, yeah, so press pause and have a go. Okay, this one here, you can rewrite it. Well, take -1 out as a factor. You can do it at the bottom or at the top. This time round, I'm going to do it at the top. So I'm going to rewrite this as -1 bracket, bracket what? Bracket -1 plus x. Okay, and then this one here becomes this. Remember, this minus thing is just a trick. It's just a trick. So look at this. Wait. Let me just rewrite it. So this becomes -1 x positive x minus 1. Okay, and then this one here x minus 1. And these two bubbles are actually the same. So now divide top and bottom by that same bubble, by x minus 1. So this one here will give you -1 over 1. Okay, because you're dividing top and bottom by x minus 1. And then here you're dividing top and bottom by x minus 1. So this thing here divided by x minus 1 will give you -1. This divided by x minus 1 will give you 1. Now just get 1 divided by 1 as normal, which is 1. Because there's only one negative, it will be -1. So after all, well, this here is actually the number -1. Okay?